Welcome to this quick overview of AI Infinite Income Hub. Everything that you need to get started and make money, good side income using the power of AI, ChatGPT and so on is included in this course. You will see here that when you come into this welcome page, there'll be welcomes from myself and from Sandra, and then you just go into this main training section here, which walks you through the core introduction modules of the course, how much money you'll be able to make from it, how to use the AI tools, how to automate your tasks, and how to maximize your earnings with minimum effort. And then in the main training section, we go through what you learn, and then all of the modules are explained, easy to follow videos that you can stop and start whenever you need. Included in the resources, by the way, is another complete course from me, Time for Chat, which is another course on ChatGPT, which you'll be able to access inside the members area as well. So great value course this, folks, with lots of different, as I said, lots of different ways that you can maximize income from AI. Obviously, it's what a lot of people are doing right now. Lots of people are making a big side income using the tools that we show you how to use, and they're doing it with a minimum of effort, because unlike a lot of previous methods taught in courses that teach you side hustles and things like that, most of the things are very labor intensive. But the great thing about AI is that all of the tasks are automated and done for you. So providing you are putting the correct prompts into the system, which is obviously what we teach you to do in this course, then all of that work is going to be automated. So it's literally just you putting in a few instructions, and then the technology will do everything for you. So do jump in. Myself and Sandra are waiting to see you on the inside of AI Infinite Income. So grab your copy and we'll see you inside the members area.